This has to be the most frustrating time of the year for me. Everything looks just so boring. When everything is just grey or mud brown, kind of sucks. Take a look at this. Cloudy, rainy, for as long as I can see. But still, I think that something good can come out of this day anyway. And we need a very long lens for it. This is also a public path. So sometimes there are a lot of people here walking by, but usually it's a little bit later in the day. I cannot set up a hide anywhere near here because of, it's the middle of a walking path. This also means that birds expect people coming here, but they're still not comfortable with it, so they'll fly if I'm too sneaky about it. I'll try to be a little more quiet now, because the bird I'm looking for, one of them at least, just flew off. But usually there are like 10 more in the field just behind. From time to time, one of them will come to this lake and start hunting or like looking for something to eat. And hopefully we can get a shot of one of them. Now I really have to be quiet. One of them landed just over there. So, shh. See, this is the problem here. I got one heron. From here it looks like it's totally clear. I got a clear view for it, but there's some irritating branches just in front of it. It took off. There's a runner coming. And they are officially gone. So now I'll find a sit spot. Maybe a cup of tea. And I'll just sit and wait. And hope that some will land nearby. Just as I put down my tripod, a couple of herons landed already. Forgot my mats, so this is what I'll sit in. It's so wet and muddy. Damn. I just put one leg down and I'm already soaked. Never, ever forget a mattress. I don't know what to do now, because this is soaking through 3 layers as soon as I put a knee down. So I really need that mattress. So I think today I won't be getting that low perspective, like where you're close to the ground. The herons are behind some reeds, so maybe it's okay if I just stand up and is like hidden a little bit, so I can shoot through some branches or some reeds. Because I'm standing up, I have like moved to the other side of the track, or the path you can see there, because then I have some trees in the background and maybe I'll not like pop out so much. It's not that I'm completely hidden, I'm not in camouflage or anything, but I think I just look a little bit less intrusive. It's simply still too dark, or because overcast. I'm at 6.3, which is what this lens can handle, 250th of a second. It's still ISO 8000. This is what I hate about this season. You know, there's often not enough light to get those gorgeous, well-lit shots unless you raise the ISO a lot. Okay. So the heroes are circling right now. But because my shutter speed is only 250th of a second, I cannot get any flying shots. They are all hiding, except maybe for this one. I hate myself for not getting that mattress with me. It's really fascinating how quiet they can be. So it's right over there, even though I cannot always get a clear shot from here. It's still fascinating just to watch them. I think I'll get the tea ready. Damn it. I just missed the cormorant swallowing a fish because I was getting ready for tea. I can't believe it. It was so close. It's like just out here, like 10 meters away. Sometimes when you just look away or you're focused on something else, that's when the action happens. And you miss it. But if I wasn't out here, I'll miss everything. Even though I didn't count on it because of the weather, it has been a really amazing morning. So many birds around. Even though they're hidden, you can still get the feel of being out in nature. It's really, really amazing. When you decide to go out, you still need to figure out which gear to bring and which accessories that can really help you improve your photography. And this is what I explain in this video up here. See you over there.